September 22, 2022. At 1 hour 16 minutes and 10 seconds local time, a strong and shallow earthquake with a USGS magnitude of M6.8 struck Michoacan, Mexico, and woke up people, already frightened by the M7.7 earthquake. "20 kilometers, 12.4 miles, is the reported depth by the agency. At a depth of 80 kilometers, 50 miles, EMSC detects M6.7. The epicenter was located 128.6 kilometers, 79.9 miles, southeast of Colima, at a distance of 39.3 kilometers, 24.4 miles, to the southwest of Aguililla and 50.2 kilometers, 31.2 miles, to the southeast of Colcoman de Bosques Pilares."
Sí, ellos sabían.
Ya se lo acabaron.